A Tri-State mom on the run after police say she led them on this wild chase through a Tri-State neighborhood. A young child in that van.
Now, this story is getting a lot of attention nationwide. New at 5, we're hearing from the Springdale officer who last spoke to that mother.
And only 9 on your side's Roseanne Aragon spoke with one of those neighbors whose yard was run over. Roseanne?
Carol, you can still see the tire tracks from when it happened. Neighbors did not expect that she would drive right through their lawns. Now, they say she didn't hesitate one bit to break the law.
Where she violated a number of traffic laws.
Driving over curbs, running red lights, and even driving on people's lawns, all to avoid the law.
She was ready to do what she did.
Lieutenant Rick Newman says it all started in the Springdale Mayor's Court. He was the court officer that day. This mother, Erica Barrerio-Rapp, was with a lawyer answering to petty theft charges. But when she thought everything was squared away, Lieutenant Newman stopped her.
I just said, you have 2 other warrants out for your arrest, 2 other jurisdictions, and we need to make sure that we need to find out what they want to do with this.
And then he turned his back, and she was gone. She told her lawyer she'd go to get her phone to call someone to care for her son if she had to go to jail. Newman ran after her.
I'm getting right up to her. She hops in, and she locks the door. And, and I start ordering her. I said, ma'am, you need to open the door. You need to open the window. She started saying something about I can't find her keys. I'd called a unit to come down because I knew that at this point in time she's in a car and I don't have a car.
At least 4 squad cars chased her, her young son in the back seat. Here she is going through this neighbor's grass.
You can see it right now too, but at the time it was really ugly.
He's not so happy.
Unacceptable, and there was a little disappointment. It's my property, and I don't expect to be somebody without my permission. If anybody wants to turn around or things, I will welcome, please, I have a driveway.
Police say Barrerio-Rapp has outstanding warrants in Kentucky for drug-related charges, as well as warrants in Butler County. At her home in Monroe, the porch light is on and the windows are covered. No signs of anyone there. Police are now asking for your help.
I'd hate for her to be on the run and other people to get hurt.
Now, neighbors here say there are lots of families on this street and she could have easily hurt someone else's child as well as her own. They called off the chase in order to protect that child from getting hurt. Now they're asking anyone with information to call Crime Stoppers. Reporting live, Roseanne Aragon, 9 on your side.